The Create a Gig tool is where business owners go to create courses on Learngigs. It's very simple to use. Think through the process of how to start your business and enter it in step by step. Enter in all the information about your course in the tabs and add content like videos, images, links, and PowerPoint presentations. As you can see, Create a Gig is easy to use. There's general information at the start, a quick description, initial cost. There are two costs on here. Users will come on here and buy your course. That is typically the cost of one college course, about $1,000 to $1,500. That's what we're aiming our price point at. There's a recurring cost that they will continue to pay to subscribe to you every single month. There are tabs for information about the applicable states for the gig, gig difficulty, banner images, a long description, and a thank you message for when a new user subscribes, tags for search, and requirements. Then, write about what was needed to start your business step by step. Example, step 1 may be to register your business. You'll list each step and then describe the process for that step. You'll need to add content. It could be SoundCloud links, Google Slides, videos, or other links. There are many options. After all the steps are added, there is a tab for final tips and advice. You can add tips and more content here. Last but not least, there is a place to list frequently asked questions. You can add a question, add an answer, and then add any supporting content. You'll have users ask the same questions over and over again, and you can just keep adding to them as you go. When you're finished adding and editing content, you can scroll back up to the top to check out the course and the preview options. Click on Preview. This is what the users will see. They can subscribe, they can review, and they can message you. They can ask questions along the way if they pay for the subscription. There's also a view to help link. There's a message forum in here where only users who are subscribed to the course have access. Public users can ask questions, but that goes in a separate help forum where only publicly viewed information is stored. We spend a lot on security to make sure all the content is secure so nobody can take screenshots of the page or share videos. There's password protected videos. It's very simple, just a step-by-step process. Hope to see you soon on Learngigs.